Wild animals in Moscow. No, the Russian capital doesn't have elks walking its streets, but it does have a park where they roam freely for all to see. The Elk Island Nature Reserve puts you in the very thick of the forest without leaving the city.
Could we ride an elk like a pony?
No, you can't ride them. They're wild animals.
The park in Moscow's northeastern outskirts used to be a favorite hunting ground of Tsar Ivan the Terrible. Now much of it is closed to the public, but guided tours are given to do some deer and elk spotting. Bringing treats is always welcome.
In winter, food is scarce, so the animals keep closer to us because we feed them regularly. They know we wouldn't hurt them. They're very calm and they're not afraid of people, so it's a unique chance for visitors to come and observe them in their natural habitat.
These two young elks are being helped to get through the snowy season with extra food and care. Once they're fully grown, they'll be let loose in the woods. The park's workers have named them Lyosha and Roma, human names for creatures that don't seem all that wild.
Here you can get really close to nature, as close as this. These animals are quite used to humans, and they're actually very friendly.
Elk Island is a true oasis of untouched nature in the big city. And even more wildlife watching can be done around Moscow without going to the zoo. 2 hours drive south of the city, there's a sanctuary that's home to more than 50 different animal species. Established immediately after World War II, it's called the Prioksko-Terrasny Nature Reserve. Visitors are taken to see the deer and the boars, and the park's pride and joy, the European bison, brought back from the brink of extinction. These powerful beasts are Europe's largest mammals, and the reserve's symbol.
At the start of the 20th century, all European bison living in the wild disappeared. The only ones left were in the zoos, so efforts began to be made to save the species. After World War II, 4 bison were brought to this park from Poland, and that's how we started breeding them here.
The reserve has a special bison breeding center. Today some 60 animals live here, and more than 200 have been sent to other parts of the country. Here you can not only see them up close, but also adopt one of them to help cover the park's fees. So if the call of the wild is what you're looking for, this is your ultimate getaway. Svetlana Kurakina, Primetime Russia, RT.